Sharmin, and today we are going to discuss about microplastic pollution in the table salt. Plastic pollution is always being discussed in the media. A rising concern about wrongful disposal of plastic into the water sources is the formation of microplastics. The effect of the pressure of wind, tides, and sun make big plastic get broken down into smaller pieces which is less than 5 mm. Due to their small size, microplastic can get into food, water, and even into the air.
Alright, so Catherine, can you tell me a little bit about bioaccumulation? What is that?
Sure. So, microplastics can be dangerous as they can bioaccumulate along the food chain and cause health concerns in both humans and marine species. Algae, for example, can absorb contaminated water and retain its fragments. So when a small fish eats a producer, they absorb these fragments into their system. If a big fish were to eat 3 smaller ones, they would absorb 3 times as much microplastics. If a human were to eat 2 big fish, they would get even more contaminant into their gastrointestinal system, meaning they would be the most affected by it. So Delilah, could this be life-threatening?
It definitely can be. Let me tell you a little more about that. Marine life and humans actually retain these microplastics in their digestive systems. Studies have shown that it affects their nervous system, their hormonal system, their immune system, and in some instances even cause cancer. You heard that, cancer. So, it's due to the substance's ability to absorb toxins and release them into the organism. In humans, microplastics can build up, causing blood flow to become obstructed. In organisms such as fish, on the other hand, the microplastics cause growth stunts and nutrient absorption problems. In phytoplanktons, the chlorophyll absorption is reduced. So let's actually get more into these studies.
A study from 2015, microplastics present was measured in 50 grams of salt from supermarkets all over China. The concentration of these fragments were mostly in sea salts. The common microplastics were PET in sea salts and cellophane in lake salts and rockwell salts. Tell me about microplastics in sea salts.
The reason for this one is that higher number of microplastics in sea salts is due to the fact that China's bigger cities are along the coast. Higher density population would mean trash is being generated. This could also be the reason that PET is the most abundant polymer in sea salts. So, can you tell us more about PET?
Sure.
By the way, I have the structure here with me.
Okay, PET is used for packing foods and drinks. The more people, the more PET is used and thrown away improperly. The rivers bring extra plastic when they flow towards the sea, where it's met with a strong current, tides and winds, which help break them up into microplastic faster.
Thank you, Jen. Now let's talk about cellophane. This beautiful structure was the plastic that was mostly found on the other 2 sources analyzed by the study. Those sources were lake and rockwell salts. Cellophane, according to the study, is mostly used in coatings associated with synthetic polymers. This can be associated with industries. And the fact that they were mostly found in those other areas can be explained by the fact that industries tend to shy away from coastal areas and be concentrated on the continent. But why is cellophane so present in the other areas and not in the sea? Since cellophane can also be present in densely populated areas, since it is used for food packaging as well as cigarette wrappers. Well, researchers think that this is because PET has a very high density, and this will make the plastic settle into raw salts during the crystallization process that forms sea salts, making it most abundant. So PET and cellophane are very hazardous to human health and should be given more attention.